Dear faithfuls of Malangara Catholic Church, warm greetings from St. Paul's Education Academy. I am Rajendra Babu, Treasurer of St. Paul's Education Academy, Diocese of Marthanda. At the eve of this reunion day, let us all once again ascertain ourselves to the faith and commitment of Malangara Catholic Church. As a part of youth development, the Diocese of Marthandam has designed the St. Paul's IAS Academy under St. Paul's Education Trust in 2011. The Academy motivates and trains the committed youths to achieve in civil service examinations under union and state government public service examinations. In this short period of 10 years, we have helped its 174 committed youths to get into various government departments. In 2010, MCA Central Committee has started a unique light program to train the youngsters and bring them under the general stream. In the past 4 years, St. Paul's IAS Academy also took part in this great venture. As a follow-up program of Light 2021, St. Paul's IAS Academy has designed the Civil Service Foundation course online. This is most convenient for all Malangara students to train their mind to become civil servants. We are valued on the basis of our education, commitment to society and culture. St. Paul's IAS Academy is committed to mend civil servants with Christian justice. On 20th September 2021, evening by 5 o'clock, the Civil Service Foundation course as a follow-up of Light 2021 will be inaugurated by our late chairman, the Bishop of Mavelikara, His Excellency Right Reverend Dr. Joshua Mar Ignatius, in the presence of the Youth Commission Chairman and the Chairman of St. Paul's Education Trust, the motivating force behind the St. Paul's IAS Academy, His Excellency Right Reverend Dr. Vincent Mar Paulos, MCA Central Committee President Mr. Paul Raj, and all MCA leaders are participating in it. We request all Reverend Fathers and Reverend Sisters, MCAM leaders, parents and students to participate in the online inaugural meeting of the foundation course. I thank Baba Trimeni for the unending support. Let us all join hands for the glory of our Lord Jesus Christ. Thank you.